Hey guys, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So I just want to go over on the IRS website. As you guys can see, this is the IRS website. Just the qualifications for the ERC credit, okay, the Employee Retention Tax Credit. The full or partial suspension of the operation of the trade or business during a calendar quarter because of government orders limiting commerce, travel, or group meetings due to COVID. So basically, if you were shut down, if you only could open up 2 days a week, if you had to have people work from home, things of that nature, you can qualify, right? Okay. Okay. A significant a significant decline in gross receipts. So that means if your income literally went down. So from 2019, okay, so let's just say you made 100,000 in 2019, and then in 2020 you made 50,000. Okay, so you have to have a decline in revenue from the second quarter to the fourth quarter of 2020, and then the first quarter to the third quarter of 2021. So you can qualify with any of those quarters. So it's actually 6 quarters that you can qualify for. You don't have to qualify for each one. You can qualify for one, up to one. And you can get up to $26,000 per employee per quarter. Okay. So those are two. A significant decline in gross receipts begin on the day of the first calendar day of 2020 for which the employer gross receipts is less than 50% of his gross receipts. Okay, for the same calendar quarter in 2019. So I just explained that to you. A significant decline in gross receipts ends on the day of the calendar quarter following the calendar quarter in which gross receipts are more than 80% of gross receipts, or more than the same calendar year in 2019. The credit applies to qualified wages, okay, including certain health plans expenses paid during the period or any calendar quarter in which operations are suspended, okay? So this is actually kind of a little bit outdated. The IRS hasn't had a chance to update their website, but if you had a decline in at least 20%, it's not 50%, it's actually 20%. So if you had a decline within like 20% during, 2020 and 2021, you also may qualify, okay? It says if the employer averaged more than 100 full-time employees in 2019, qualified wages were generally those wages including certain healthcare costs. So you can actually get your healthcare money back and your payroll money back, your FICA, Medicaid, Social Security, taxes. Basically, what the ERC credit is you're getting back all those taxes that you paid for those employees, plus some extra money. That's why they said you can get up to 26,000. Not that you're gonna get 26,000 per employee, but up to $26,000 per employee. Okay. So a lot of misinformation on the internet saying, oh, you get $26,000 per employee is free money. It's not free money at all. You can get up to, that means you can get 1,000, you can get 500, you can get 1,000, you can get 10,000, you can get 15,000, you can get 20,000, up to $26,000 per employee. In some cases, you can actually list yourself as an employee too. In some cases, you can list yourself as, an employee, but you have to do an amended return. Okay. So in the amended return, basically what you would do in that amended, return, you would now get a 941X. Okay. So normally your payroll company would have your form 941. So all you would do is log into your payroll company's dashboard and get your 941, file it with your accountant. They give you 941X, and then you can either schedule an appointment with me, and we can, see if you qualify or what you can qualify for. Being that tax season is around the corner, is going to get even slower. So right now, um, the IRS is taking anywhere from 6 weeks to 6 months just to get the money. Okay, just to get the money. Okay, and it's taking maybe 2 to 3 weeks to actually qualify. Okay, to qualify to see if you actually get the money, and see what you are eligible for. When January 2023 comes, okay, because remember, this is over in 2024, which is September 2024. When January 2023 comes and more business owners are knowing about this and more accountants and CPAs are telling their clients about this, it's just going to get more backlog and more backlog and more backlog. Okay, so if you're watching this video before December, before January 2023, you want to schedule a 15-minute consultation now with me so you can fill the application out so we can see, if you qualify, so we can get your application in ahead of the rush, which is going to be from January 2023 to at least May, June. Okay, so the first 6 months of 2023, they're going to be even more backed up. It may even take a year now to get, the money. I'm not saying it is, but the IRS is already backed up from COVID. Okay, so now moving forward, they may just even be more backed up. Okay, so again, click on the link below. You can email me or you can schedule a 15-minute consultation so that you can see if you qualify. We have an application process. It may take you 15 minutes, 10 minutes. We can get over Zoom, and we can see from there. We don't charge you up front, but we do charge you on the back end for processing all of your paperwork. So make sure you guys follow me at Coach Tanisha Marie on Instagram. Make sure you subscribe, and I'm going to look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.